My name is Moses Tembe, founder and chairman of Bellamont Investments and chairman of Sizekaya Holdings. The 28th of May 2025 marks the day that the promise of the National Lottery finally gets fulfilled. We welcome that the Honorable Minister of Trade and Industry and Competition, Mr. Parks Tau, appreciated the power of our vision and awarded us the fourth lottery license. When a national lottery was first mooted shortly after the ushering in of our democracy, the most compelling argument for its existence was the income it could generate to help the poorest and most vulnerable of South Africans. Globally, this had already been proven. The UK lottery helped fund the London Olympics to the tune of £2.2 billion. The combined lotteries of California are reported to have contributed $41.5 billion to the education sector, helping schools to attract new teachers and improve their facilities. China, where the concept of lotteries originated, has used its lotteries to fund social welfare programs and are believed to have contributed to lifting millions of people out of poverty. The lottery, when run optimally, can be a powerful force for good. We have seen glimpses of this in South Africa. In its 25 years of operation, the Lotto has funded thousands of organizations, thus contributing to much needed community development. But we believe that it can deliver so much more. That is why, in our view, Sizekaya Holdings bid for the lottery. Our operational experience will elevate the Lotto to new heights. Our gaming pedigree is unmatched. Gold Rush, a pioneer in the gaming and online betting space, is our shareholder. While I bring over 35 years of business experience, including the gaming industry as a former chairperson of Phumelela Gaming and board member for KZN Tsogosan, Zungu Investments, led by Mr. Sandile Zungu, brings over 25 years of inveterate entrepreneurship across multiple sectors, including football. Sizekaya directors include Ms. Lebo Dadana, a qualified chartered accountant and very experienced board member and director of companies, who also founded her own financial services company. We have Dr. Ntombi Mushakwane, a serial entrepreneur and a medical doctor by profession, an investor and a renowned researcher. We also have Ms. Fundi Sitebe, the former CEO of 4Racing, the largest toad operator who ran the largest toad-based sports pools in South Africa, over and above her operations expertise. So what can you expect from a lotto that is operated by Sizekaya? Firstly, unrivaled innovation. We have consulted the best international game design experts and conducted extensive market research to understand where lotteries are headed in future and what games players like and don't, to ensure that when we take over the lotto players will see a switch up. We will be reducing the number of draws but increasing the size of the jackpot, which will increase the odds of winning and will bring back scratch cards and a more enhanced focus on sports pools. Our second advantage comes from our choice of a technical partner. We opted to partner with Genlot, the technology partner for the largest lottery operator in the world, which is based in China. China is the manufacturing center of the world, and they manufacture most of the world's lottery terminals. By doing so, we will reduce costs by buying directly from source, ensuring that the operations are cost effective to give back more to the public and for good causes. Genlot has also formed a local 51% triple BEE owned technology company which will bring and supply lottery and technology products and services, meaning more reductions in cost and increased localization in the form of jobs created and knowledge and skills transfer to South Africans. Finally, we have promised to hand over the intellectual property of our lottery design, development, and execution to the government for in-source capacity to run the lotto at the end of our tenure. These and many reasons are why we believe we want the right to operate lottery for the next 8 years. What won it for Sizekaya was not the backhanders or chronism, as our detractors would claim. It was our promise to elevate the lottery to the new heights, to generate more money for good causes, and to enable our government to run the lottery on its own. Armed with our gaming business and operational experience, we submitted the best bid, and together with future national lottery beneficiaries, we have won. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our team and all of those who supported us. Thank you.